everyone, welcome back to lecture 2 of our Photoshop course. In the first lecture, we learned about the Photoshop interface. Today, we are going to explore the most important part of Photoshop, the Tools panel. Let's go step by step. Firstly, Move tool. The first tool on the top is the Move tool. It is used to move any object, text, image inside your canvas, like space. Now you can quickly select it by pressing shortcut key by V. Next one is Marquee and Lasso tool. Next we have the selection tools. The Marquee tool lets you select rectangle and circular areas. And the Lasso tool gives you a freehand selection option, perfect for cutting out and the object like this. Control T. By pressing Control T, resize the image. Now select Marquee tool, rectangle Marquee tool. Select like this. The next tool is the Crop tool. The Crop tool helps you resize or trim your image. The Crop tool is it focus on a specific part. Shortcut key is C. Next one is the Eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is used to pick any color from your image and set it as your foreground color. Shortcut key is I. Next one is Brush, Razor and Gradient tool. Now let's talk about some creative tools. The brush tool lets you paint or draw on your canvas. Press B to activate it. You can change its size and hardness. The top option bar like this: normal size, opacity, flow. The eraser tool moves. Next one is eraser tool. The eraser tool removes unwanted parts. Shortcut key is E. And the gradient tool. Gradient tool helps you create the smooth colors transition. Shortcut key is G. The next one is zoom and hand tool. When you are working closely on an image, use the zoom tool to zoom in and out. Control plus also and control minus. Control 0 for fit to screen. To move around the canvas, use the hand tool. It lets you drag your view without affecting the artwork. And that's it for lecture 2. We just covered the most basic yet essential tools in Photoshop. In the next lecture, we will learn how to work with layers, one of the most powerful features of Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for lecture. In the next lecture,